his phone. I can see that without any doubt. PG18NWC. So I'm just going to come around here and wait briefly and join him. That's just too blatant by far. So I could see his phone held in his left hand. I could see a charge cable dangling from the phone, and I could see video and images on the phone itself. Get off your phone, sir. I'm going to be reporting it to you to the police. Carry on. He's also holding his phone. Bloody hell, LG23GCM Golf Charlie Mike. Once again, I could see the phone in the right hand, I could see the lit up phone screen. I believe he had a charge cable. Afternoon, sir. Can't be using your phone.
Sorry?
You can't be using your phone, sir.
I could use my sat nav.
It's not a sat nav. I'll be reporting it.
Fuck yourself.
E35GLX. We got a verbal one. Why are you using your phone, sir? Naughty. FG54OCN.